Hey guys, my name is Jacob here at the CryptoHub. It is January 8th, 2018, and let's go ahead and do a market recap. So last time we talked, the market was at almost the same exact place that is right now. We had a run up from or under 700 bill. We ran all the way up to 825, and we've had a little correction here. We slide back out to the 1 month. We are still, $300 billion above where we were a month ago. So I'd say overall we're sitting kind of pretty. I'm not too worried. And most of these losses are coming from the altcoins because it had this ridiculous rally from 373 all the way up to 553, and now it's kind of coming back down a little bit. When we look at market dominance in general, Bitcoin is still king for now at least. We see a lot of other players gaining valuation and kind of climbing on Bitcoin, but for now, Bitcoin is still ruling the markets. When we look at the Bitcoin price action in general, we were struggling to break 515, then we broke it, and then we were struggling to beat 15.3, struggling to break 14, and then 15, and then we beat 16, and we came all the way up here to 17, and then we've just come back down. It looks like we recovered a little bit too quickly here, and this entire section, entire $1,000 gain, was lost just as quickly as it was earned. We're still sitting at the same place that we've. When we look at, we've dipped below a lot of our 5-day, 10-day, 15-day, etc. So, I'm not gonna say anything bad's gonna happen necessarily, but it's not the most glamorous of price action ever since this run up. We really struggled. Bitcoin specifically, I think a lot of altcoins have benefited from this. The market overall has still grown, but Bitcoin has to start stepping up its game a little bit if the market's going to continue to grow, at least for now. 7-day for a lot of these isn't too bad. Ripple's one that is completely oversold to a ridiculous degree, and it's had a correction here, especially today. Same with Bitcoin Cash. It was coming back up, and then this little Bitcoin crash just tanked it. Cardano is down. NEM is down. Litecoin. A lot of these tokens that were doing really well are struggling. And lo and behold, Icon, my little baby, I love this project, still holding pretty strong. I think it's the only one that isn't dipping, all the way down. Oh no, Neo as well. It's just overall, things tend to follow Bitcoin because Bitcoin creates the most FOMO and generally the most FUD as well. So, last 7 days of Ethereum specifically, we were around here, $900. We peaked at almost $1,200. We've come back down a little bit. Our Bitcoin comparatives are still doing super well. Literally a month ago, we were at 0.028, and we peaked at almost, almost 3 times that. It's just been remarkable. I would just kind of say hodl, guys. Don't stress too much. Data had a really good Telegram post today where it was like, hey guys, look what happened to all the altcoins. They shot up. You're gonna have at least a little bit of a correction there, and right now we're sitting at a 50% correction for the altcoins from this crazy rally. And there are great analysts out there like Hodgin Lee. Box mining is great for information. Data is great analysis. They can kind of keep you informed on their specific goals. I still think we're in line to hit 3 trillion this year in market cap. When we look at what the market does continually is it goes, it dips, it goes, it dips, it goes, it dips. So I wouldn't stress too much. If you have some cash to put in, not a terrible day to put it in because the market just tanked $100 billion. Not a ton in the long run, but for now, it's a good opportunity if you were kind of waiting for some kind of rally to end. Boom, here's your moment because it's going to come right back up. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe. If you liked it, leave a like. If you have any questions, post a comment in the comments below. Have a great day.